Hey, what's up mga ka-amethyst ko? Now, I'm going to do a Capricorn reading. Okay? So, full moon po ngayon sa Scorpio in April 23, 24 ng 2024. So, kailangan ko po itong gawin ngayon for the month of May 2024. Para sa aking mga Capricornian, Sun, Moon, and Rising in Venus sign, any placement will do. If it's not resonating with you, you can go ahead and check the other videos that I have. So, let's proceed. Hindi po lahat ay magre-reflect sa inyo kasi collective po ito. Marami po kayo dyan ha. Pero pag napadpad ito sa inyo, napanood nyo to, that means it has a message that needs to, it need for you to listen. Pwedeng para sa inyo to or sa mga mahal sa buhay. So go ahead and, oops, tignan po First start. Yeah, really. Kanina pa to. Ito rin yung kanina nasa labas. So, 8 of Clubs, let's talk about. Tapos bumukas pa yung dalawa. Mga Capricornian ko, there's a misunderstanding between you and someone else. For sure, itong buwang ito ay punong-puno ng mga pakikipag-usap o mga balita, communication or anything related sa mga bagay na magpapaisip sa'yo, magpapasolve ng problem, or you really have to go through this huge reality na kailangan ko may daan ng problema. Or ilan sa inyo will definitely experience this within or beginning ng May. Okay, ibig sabihin, within May, or yung iba, mag-uumpisa around May, or katapusan ng April, yung mga pagsubok na ito na dapat nyo asahan, galit, tampo, or ending, break up, ganun ang mga eksenang to, for those Capricornian energies. Alright? So, or pwedeng may mga balita, kwento, or mga pag-uusap na related sa mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan mo before. Alright? So, some of you will not exactly have the same story, but ganun umiikot ang kwento ng May for you. So, cherish every moment with your family. You know, have a celebration, go on a party, vacation with some of your loved ones, or spend time with your family kahit hindi na kailangan gumastos ng malaki. Dahil, definitely, pamilya din, or mga mahal sa buhay na kaibigan at mga mahal sa buhay na tinuturing mong kapamilya, ang magbibigay sa'yo ng suporta, realization. Kung yung iba, parang bumalik yung alaala, the support system will always be there. Lalo doon sa mga ups and downs, nandoon sila, hindi nawawala. Definitely, yung mga mahal sa buhay na yon will stick hanggang doon sa dulo para sa inyo. Okay? And some of you went through a lot of sacrifices and struggle bago makatapos ng pag-aaral, or bago makakuha ng lisensya, bago makakuha ng diploma, or whatever document. And it's a lesson learned for you to choose your true friends. Sigurado may lalabas na katotohanan tungkol sa mga kaibigan hindi totoo. Sigurado may lalabas na katotohanan tungkol sa mga kaibigan totoong-totoo naman. Alright? So, you will have this realization. Siguro yung iba sa'yo nangyayari na, yung iba naman magaganap pa lang. And you have to be very firm with your decision. Paninindigan mo talaga yung decision mo at mga nakikita at nararamdaman. Kasi definitely Capricorn are very observant. So, nag-o-observe lang kayo. And you know na actually naglang malamang kayo ng confirmation kung makikipag-usap kayo sa makagagaya namin. Definitely, alam niyo na yung sagot, kailangan mo na lang talagang nang may marinig na balita mula sa or confirmation from us. Alright, something like that. So, love life, for Diamond, most of you, Capricorns, are having a very secured love story, or mas focus sa pag-stabilize ng finances together, or business partnership ito or collaboration na kumita para magkaroon ng matibay na pangkabuhayan. So, anything related to that, I'll be using Capricornians. Guys, listen. I'll be using my tarot card. Mercury retrograde, the last day, tomorrow or today. So, 9 of Pentacles, yes. Expect that whatever's happening around this time or around May will make your September or third quarter or last part ng taong ito na celebratory, extravagant, unexpectedly after all the trials and tribulations. Yes, Ten of Pentacles. You will gain money, respect, status, wealth na pang long term. Nice. Some of you, actually, pwedeng ilan sa inyo makaranas na mayapang mahal sa buhay, kamag-anak or magulang, and then at the end of the day, mag-benefit kayo from the inheritance or getting something from those people that you love, something like that. So, judgment, yes, kailangan daw may batas, may proseso ng batas, or ang paghuhusga ng langit ay siyang nasa sayo, papanig sayo sa katapusan ng taong ito. But 10 of Wands, it will be a long process. Mahaba daw yung pagproseso nito. Or yung iba sa inyo, ang tagal-tagal na nagproproseso, we're still waiting, and now you're getting the answer, or some of you will definitely have an enlightenment along the way. Okay? What? Amazing. Alright. Oracle card naman tayo. Let's check the message of this card for you. So, na-shuffle ko na actually lahat ng yan. It's just that I want more. So, oh, lahat ng ito ay nakatadhana. Shoots. I'm so happy to have this card. Yes, these are all, I don't know if it's going to reflect on the camera. Ayan, nakatadhana po itong lahat. By the book, you just have to follow rules and regulations. And when it's time for you to go and push through with your plans, definitely will push through. Hindi pa, may mga times na talaga na kailangan mag-antay ka muna daw sa message in the bottle or balita, information that you need. Dahil may mga bagay na hindi pa natatapos. Unfinished symphony. So, last but not the least, ang I Ching or Chinese bamboo sticks ng aking tatay. Yes, you're going to be very busy working, but you have to be alone most of the time and have your own solitude, because after that, definitely you will have your own journey, travel, literally domestic or international. Last one. And you have to hide it first or keep it hidden from other people, especially if you have a wife, partner, or karelasyon. Bakit? Kasi when you need to go visit places, kasama sila, or you need to separate yourself from them and have your alone time to make it happen. So, good luck sa iyo. Maraming salamat.